Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can install the new Qwen3.5 models. So specifically in this video I'll be installing a 0.8 per billion model, which is one of the smallest models released out there. And because the model is so small, we can actually run it without the need of a GPU. So because of that, I'll be running it on my Hostinger VPS, which is a fixed price VPS that would allow us to use the model 24/7 without needing a dedicated host device. So if you guys would also like to use Hostinger, I will leave my referral link in the description below, and if you use that link you will get extra 20% off on whichever Hostinger plan you decide to choose. But for this I'll be using my KVM 2 plan, which is only $8.99 per month. So let's get right into this setup. Now you would first of course just need to open the terminal on whichever device you decided to make this installation on. For me, as I mentioned, it's a Hostinger CPU only VPS, so this is how my terminal looks. Now from here, if you would like to follow in real time, I made a short commands list or a guide and linked it in the description below, so you can open that as a GitHub gist and then just copy paste the commands as the video progresses. So let's get started with this setup process. Now I will be doing this installation through Ollama, so let's go ahead and first install Ollama on our device using this command right here. Now this can take some time, so just let it load and install everything. And there we go. Now Ollama is installed, but if you get this notification, it just means that you installed it on a device or a VPS that only has a CPU, so no GPU. But because I'm installing a small model which can run in CPU only mode, we can disregard this. Now let's go ahead and check if we have the latest version of Ollama, which is needed for us to run the Qwen3.5 model. So we do that with this command right here, just Ollama version command. So as you can see, we have the latest version. Now let's go ahead and quickly pull the Qwen3.5 0.8 per billion model. Now if you would like to install another model, you can just replace this part right here, the last part, and then your model will be installed. But I decided on a small model because I'm running this in CPU only mode. So let's go ahead and execute the installation command. And there we go. So this was pretty instantaneous for me because I already did this installation previously, but for you it might take a few moments depending on your internet speed. And now lastly, because this is just a quick installation tutorial, let's go ahead and see if everything works by starting the model. And there we go. So the model is started, and let's go ahead and try to send a message to test how it works. So here you have a thought process of the model. As you can see, it's thinking, and there we go. It replied in a pretty timely manner. So here we can see the reply that it spat out. And just a reminder, this is only using 2 CPU cores, as you can see right here. So I'm using the KVM 2 plan, which only has 2 CPU cores. And it was able to reply this quickly using only that small amount of the compute power. So essentially guys, that's a full setup, and if you found this video helpful, consider supporting the channel using the Buy Me a Coffee link below. And additionally, if you would also like to use Hostinger to host your LLM, you can use my link or the coupon code that will give you extra 20% off from the description below. Lastly, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.